Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and let's jump straight into the video. I will be unboxing my brand new miner today. I ordered this one a long time ago and it has finally arrived. If you're wondering what it is the Dimo miner. This is a brand new project that I think has a lot of potential. So a while back, I ended up ordering a couple of these miners and they have finally arrived. All right, so this is the box that it came in. As you can see, it is completely sealed. I did open one before, but this one I will be opening up right now. And now let's quickly open up this one. All right. Let me see. All right, now that we have cut it, let me quickly open it up for you guys. As you can see, as soon as you open it, you will see the instructions to download the app so you can set up your Dimo miner. We're going to take off this cardboard, and inside you are going to have your AutoPi miner. This one plugs into your vehicle. As you can see, it is pretty big. When I first ordered it, I thought it was going to be way smaller than this. It also has some weight to it. Another thing that comes with it is this extension cord. They also have other longer ones that you can order, but I think this one will be just fine. Also, some stickers and tapes to pretty much position it into your vehicle. So I did order a couple of these miners and I will be plugging them into all of my vehicles, and I'm hoping they will generate some passive income. These miners will be mining the Dimo token, which will be launched on the Ethereum and the Polygon Matic blockchains. As of right now, if you go on CoinMarketCap and you type in Dimo, you will see that the token has not launched yet. But hopefully with this miner, I'll be able to accumulate some before it launches. Obviously, the AutoPi is not just a crypto miner. If you see in the back, it has an Ethernet connection with 2 USBs and supports on the side as well. This thing can do a lot of stuff. I will be making a video in the next day or two showing you guys all the utility that this Dimo miner provides and why I believe it is a good project to invest in, especially these miners. They're not very expensive at all. So the way it works is very simple. All you have to do is plug this device into your vehicle in the OBD sensor and then drive and make some free money. Also, with the AutoPi, if you have a check engine light or any other maintenance lights, it will be able to tell you exactly what error code is popping up. That way you will know exactly what is wrong with your vehicle. That is just one of the benefits that AutoPi will provide. I was going to install it today in the vehicle and test it out and show you guys the entire process, but it has been raining here for the last 2 days and I pretty much haven't left the house. So as soon as it stops raining, I will show you exactly how to install a Dimo miner. Also, I will have the Dimo link for the app in the description box below, so make sure you check it out if you are interested. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. Obviously, the Dimo token has not launched yet. We are super early in this project, but I believe now is the time to accumulate as much. Then when the token launches, we can potentially make some money. So make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.